Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitboy token. Now the Bitboy token is in stage 2 of their pre-sale right now. This is a brand new token. We're going to go over the information on this project and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Bitbot, the world's first Telegram self-custodial trading bot. Explore the most powerful trading Telegram solution ever built as the bull market explodes. Now, this is in stage 2 of their pre-sale right now. If you go to their webpage, bitbot.tg, you will see right at the top of the page, they have a, it shows so far they've raised $277,838. Now, the price will increase in the next stage, and that's how these pre-sales work, is they start out with the lowest price, and then it slowly increases to the next stage. So the next stage price is going to be basically 1.1 cents. And right now it is 1.05 cents. So it raises basically around like a fraction of a penny. So they are looking to raise in this phase $410,000, so they're almost at $300,000, so they're doing very well. But basically how you'd get the token is you just connect your wallet right to the page. It says connect wallet, and it shows you step-by-step how to do it on the page in case you get lost. And they do have a full audit by solid proof on here. So if you scroll down, you'll see that there's a white paper on the page too. There's an 11-page white paper. They have support. If you need help with buying the token, they have their socials. You can change the language on here. There's all sorts of information on here. So if we scroll all the way down, they have a very lengthy white paper. They have tons of socials at the bottom of the page. They have X, Linktree, Instagram, Discord, Telegram, Reddit, Facebook, and then, of course, a customer support button if you need it. Now, their white paper is 11 pages long, and it says, your keys, your wallet, your assets. Now, throughout the years, we've witnessed the exhilarating highs and lows of the bull market, each leaving its mark on the financial landscape. In the glow of hindsight, a tantalizing what if always echoes. What if I had clung on to my Bitcoin or seized the chance with Shiba Inu when it was a mere $10? Our vision is to reduce the world of what ifs for retail traders. So enter Bitbot, the world's first non-custodial Telegram trading bot. In a world of hacks and leaks, Bitbot is the first Telegram bot that offers integration with self-custodial wallets, marrying ironclad security with advanced trading tools in sleek, user-friendly packages. It's not just another trading bot, it's a game changer. It's not just powerful, it's the epitome of automated trading. Our features allow you to auto-maneuver even the most sophisticated institutional traders. What we offer is a solution for those who are looking for the best-in-class Telegram trading experience, but backed by serious security protocols. Take control of your keys, trade smarter, trade with Bitbot. The only thing this is a quote, the only thing I'm afraid of about this country is that its government will someday become so monstrous that the smallest person in it will be trampled underfoot, and then it wouldn't be worth living in. And that is a quote from Harper Lee The GameStop saga inspired a new vision for financial technology. We believe the true revolution in finance comes when the ordinary investor realizes their collective power. With Bitbot, we bring it to crypto. Bitbot is on a mission to democratize the financial markets by providing institutional-grade tools in a safety-first, non-custodial framework. We deliver the tools the pros use to grow their portfolios in a security-conscious package, the inception of a new trading era. So Telegram boasts a massive user base of over 800 million. It is where social connections meet trading opportunities and has enormous untapped potential for traders across the globe. Bitbot harnesses this extensive network, equipping everyday traders with the tool sets of a powerhouse. It empowers everyone to become a modern-day David in the David and Goliath tale, challenging the titans of finance. Now, the challenges for retail investors include time, capital, and access to secure trading instruments. Not everyone has the capacity to invest $100 million in a perpetual futures using someone else's money. When it's your money on the line, you want the best in-class service. In today's Telegram trading bot market, the dilemma is clear. It comes down to the selecting either the utmost convenience or robust security. We've merged the best of both, and Bitbot delivers an elegant non-custodial trading solution on Telegram. Powered by our institutional-grade tools, you can now rival those once who beat you to the earnings. With our proprietary AI integration completing the package, you're left with just one thrilling choice. Which token will you buy? Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's begin with the crucial question. Are your assets truly yours? And we've all heard the not your keys, not your coins. So it says it's simple: your keys, your wallet, your assets. So the things that they're going to offer here, their development focus on security, data and intelligence, advanced trading, wallet integration, UX and UI, and a referral program. So a token with a purpose. The Bitbot token brings a new dimension of trading to the platform. Now there's revenue sharing. So they're going to share with holders with their progressive growth. Exclusive access, so you're going to get perks and airdrops if you're involved with the pre-sales and whatnot. Governance, you can stake your tokens and then be part of the DAO and vote on which direction you think the project should go. And community, so they're going to have exclusive private chats with seasoned trading experts. Now the tokenomics, there's a 1 billion total supply of this token here. 30% of the tokens go to public sale, 10% treasury, 14% marketing, 20% development, 23% community, and 3% goes to liquidity. And so they have a roadmap here, starting with the launching on a decentralized exchange. Then they're going to unveil the platform. Then they're going to have more marketing, central exchange listings, expanding the reach, influencers, and then more to come after that. So yeah, check this out. On their webpage, they have a bunch of socials listed on there. I'm going to put their Twitter up here, @official_buybot. So they have frequently asked questions like, what is buybot? How does it ensure security? How can I participate? How do I start using buybot? How do I check my tokens? All that type of stuff is in the frequently asked questions. They have a little bit of team information on there as well. The tokenomics are on here. It's a deflationary token, it says as well. So they're probably going to have burns and whatnot in the future. And yeah, if you just connect your wallet to the page, it says select payment. Then you can click on that. So you can either get the token with Ethereum, USDT, the Tether stablecoin, but on the Ethereum blockchain, USDC on the Ethereum blockchain, or you could use BNB, USDT or USDC on the Binance Smart Chain, or you could pay with a card with a US dollar. So Ethereum or BNB or the stablecoins or US dollar, basically. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.